trying to move these moldings, pull them back so you don't break them. First thing you want to do is pull the couple clips in the wheel well. They pop right out with a clip puller. There's going to be one here, one up here, one back there. What you want to do, gently do it. Don't yank on it so you break the clips. Gently get it. If you can get your clip tool in there to pull on the clip itself, you'll be able to pull it back just enough to see the clip, and you can gently take it and give it a little nudge. They don't normally come out too easy because if you start yanking on it, all you're going to do is break the molding or break the clips. I realize they're one-way clips. They're meant to only go on one time, but you can cheat it. Just be gentle with it. Don't yank. And then, because I'm changing the bumper, I can now get to the 10 millimeter here and the screws I need to get to pull the bumper off. And you've also got some Phillips screws here you have to take out. A couple push clips. You have to remove these two push clips. This will pull forward, move it out of the way, and you'll see two more push clips hidden. To pull the fog light out, there's 3 Phillips screws. You remove those, pull that out. When you're taking covers and grills out, be careful. These are like one-time clips. You want to try and save them. So push down on it and then push the little tab over. Once you get one to release, you can start taking them. Don't just yank it and break it. Because once you break it, then you got to buy new. That way you can reuse it.